Good afternoon. So now we proceed to the A1 chicken rice kitchen.
Yeah.
Okay, we will show you since the outside temperature is 32. So after applying the evaporative cooling system into the kitchen, how much the temperature change for the A1 chicken rice kitchen. Now we proceed to the A1 chicken rice. Here we are. We are inside in the A1 chicken rice kitchen. Before install our evaporative cooling system, A1 was using the old conventional system is the bracket. It means that they extract the bracket from outside, supply to the kitchen. Yeah. But it seems it's not working. And the basic parameters of the kitchen heat inside the kitchen, and the start will work indication for fuel ED and fuel headache. So after negotiation with the A1 management, I told them to apply the environmental evaporative cooling system. This system is to act as blazing bracket in the kitchen, as well give the staff have a very comfortable working environment. So let me show to you how much the temperature drop between outside and inside. Turun lagi, masih turun lagi. Nah, boleh record? 28.9, 28.7. Okay, 28.7.